guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Join the tribe. Make sure you subscribe, period. And yeah, so today is skincare journey vlog episode 8. I said 8, right? 8, my bad. I was trying to do jazz hands, so yeah. But I'm just giving you guys a little update since I last checked in with buying Dermalogica products and using the Origins base cleaner, charcoal cleanser. I forget what it's called. But y'all look for yourself, you know. Let's see. The lighting is a little bright, but all right. So I've been using all the products. I've been faithful with them. I probably missed one night, and I think I've been using it. Let me check and see. Since February 2nd, it is February 23rd. So March 2nd will be a whole month. And yeah, basically I'm going to give my review so far on what I think about the products. I love the way it makes my skin texture feel. It feels very smooth. I don't get any like oily skin really, like, and I have oily skin, so I haven't really been getting oil, but I have to consider that it's also been winter or spring, spring, and it's been kind of cold lately, so I haven't been like sweating or, you know, what like I would in the summer. So I'm not experiencing any like oily skin right now. However, for the past 3-4 days, obviously I'm doing the one thing that I can't stop doing, but I'm going to speak this into existence. Stop picking your skin because your skin is not going to be clear if you continue to do that. I tell myself that, but when I go like this, I'm like, ooh, let me get that. You know, that's my life. So I have like wounds. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. Sorry. I'm on camera getting excited. That's kind of disgusting, but anyway. Yeah, so the wounds that are 3D, you know how you get a scab? That's basically what all these are. They were pimples. I popped them, and then once I popped them, the holes developed scabs. And then once the hole developed scabs, I just kept picking from there. I know it's kind of like TMI, but it is what it is. That's just what I do. Same thing on... Sorry, I didn't mean to flick y'all off. But same thing on this side. I have a lot of wounds that are open, and I wasn't like this a week ago. It was actually very clear, but I don't know. I just got like these pimples again under the skin. And what can I say or do? Like, just I have to do my best at not picking. Other than that, I have been doing a lot better as far as like keeping up with the routine. And I do notice a difference though. I think that if I didn't pick my skin, I could definitely see more improvement, but I can just see improvement in the glowiness of my skin. Sorry, I gotta like do it again. So you see how like glowy it is? It doesn't look like it's a whole bunch of texture on my skin, which is amazing. But yeah, so I guess as far as the product's working, I think it's really up to me at that point. I also went on a diet, guys. I felt like I was gaining like way too much weight for my liking. And I'm not eating bread, rice, fries. Those are like the main 3 things. I'm slowly getting rid of cereal, basically until it leaves my house. Then I'll stop eating cereal. But for the most part, I'm just going to be doing like salads, grilled chicken, salmon, vegetables, celery with peanut butter, whatever snacks I'm allowed to have. I don't really know. I haven't ate chips, and I've been on this diet. Tomorrow will be a week. So yeah, I've definitely seen like already some results. I was 167. There was one day when I weighed myself and I was like 170. Maybe I ate too much, I don't know. But 167 has been the range since I've been weighing myself for a month. But I lost like 4 pounds already. Like I'm 163 now. So it's crazy that everything is basically all in what you eat. But I am working out twice a week, so hopefully I can lose it a little bit faster. But yeah, all that, I'm saying all that to say, like, I don't know if it's like been improving my skin, because I honestly have been eating healthier. I just don't know what's going on here. I did want to give a shout out to Good Molecules for sending me a package. They sent me a lot of products to try, and I won't be trying them until like maybe a month if I'm really feeling like the Dermalogica products don't work. But one thing that I am using currently is their discoloration serum, and I definitely do think that that's doing something. I don't know why, and their products are super affordable. So I'm gonna like do a freeze frame and show y'all, you know, their cuteness. Look at this packaging though, y'all. This is so amazing with all the detail, the color, the ingredients listed on the paper. Like, this is beautiful. I'm super excited to try all of these. Thank you, Good Molecules. Okay, so I'm gonna open this with you guys. So here we have the Clarifying Cleanse Bar for acne prone skin. Next we have the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. This feels really heavy, so it's good because we have a lot. Then we have the Discoloration Correcting Serum for hyperpigmentation and my girls with the dark spots. Then we have silicone-free priming. So here is a step-by-step on how to go about your daily and nightly routine. And then they have here the best sellers at very affordable prices. As far as my favorite Dermalogica product, I'd have to say it would be the Gentle Exfoliator. That is really, really good. It is gentle enough for you to use every day. I use it twice a week, but I'm gonna up it to 3 to 4 times a week, almost kind of every day if I can, but more so just slowly doing 3 to 4 times a week, because that also gives me that glow and it gets rid of the dead skin cells much more than the cleansers do. So I also only double cleanse at night. I use one cleanser in the morning, and then I use the breakout serum from Dermalogica, and I do a oil for the wounds on my face. Like, it's a light oil. It's not too oily, which I love. And I do sunscreen. So after I run out of my sunscreen that I've been using, it's from Face Reality, I'm going to switch over to Black Girl matte sunscreen and start using that. So yeah, that is it for my skincare journey vlog episode 8. Let me know what you think about my skin. I mean, I know it ain't all that, but I feel like I'm getting somewhere. I'm trying to get my old high school life back. My skin was so clear back then. So yeah. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Join the tribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.